Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topic is composite functions. So let us understand what are composite functions. A function of a function is called a composite function. So when one function is followed by another function, the resulting function is called composite function. So let's say this is function x. So it is followed by gx and then by fx. So it is fgx. So what is happening? X to gx and gx to fgx. So here, first, which is closer to x is solved. So we solve gx first and then solve f of gx. Okay, we read it as f of gx. fg. So f of gx means the function g acts on x first and then f acts on the result. So let's start solving some problems. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to 5x minus 2. And you are asked to find f of g of 4. So here we need to find g of 4 first. So g acts on 4 first. So x is 4 here. So g acts on 4. So gx is given as 5x minus 2. So 5 times 4 is 20 and 20 minus 2 is 18. Now we find f of 18. So f of 18 in function f, wherever there is x, we are going to put 18. So it is 2x plus 3. It is double of x and then add 3. So 2 times 18 is 36 and 36 plus 3 we get this as 39. So this is how f of g of 4 is 39. Now let us find g of f of minus 5. So now here what will be solved first? We will be first solving f of minus 5. So we have g of f of minus 5 to be done. So f acts on minus 5 first. So function f is 2x plus 3. So in this function, we put the value of x as minus 5. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. And minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. Now we found f of minus 5, where f of minus 5 is minus 7. Now it is g f of minus 5. Now we'll be solving g of minus 7. So g function is 5x minus 2. In this function, in place of x, we are going to put minus 7. Now here, g function, which is times 5, that is 5 times x, and take 2, that is minus 2, x minus 2. So 5 times minus 7 is minus 35. And minus 35 minus 2, you get this as minus 37. So this is how you get g of f of minus 5 is equal to minus 37. fgx. Now here we'll be solving fgx. So to solve fgx, g acts on x first. So g of x is equal to 5x minus 2. Now we need to put in place of x function, we put a bracket for this, and in place of x function, for f function, wherever there is x, we are going to put 5x minus 2. So we find f of 5x minus 2 plus 3 and add 3. So f of 5x minus 2 plus 3. So this is what? This is your fgx. So what we need to remember, we first put a bracket for g function because g is closer to x. And in f function, wherever there is x, we are putting the value 5x minus 2, value of g function. Now solving this bracket, expand this bracket, 2 times 5 is 10x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 and plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So 10x minus 1 is your fgx. Now let us go for example 2. So you are given f of x is equal to x square plus 2 and g of x is 2x minus 1. fg5. So what will we do first? We will be first doing g of 5. So g acts on 5 first. So g of 5 is in the g function, in place of x, 2x minus 1. In place of x, we put 5. 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 minus 1 is 9. Now we will be finding f of 9. So finding f of 9, in place of f function, wherever there is x, we are going to put 9. So 9 square plus 2, 9 square is 81 and 81 plus 2, we get this as 83. So this is how f of g of 5 is 83. Next, it is g of f of minus 2. So we will be doing f of minus 2 first. So in f function, wherever there is x, we are going to put minus 2. So minus 2, this is x square plus 2 was your f function. F of x was x square plus 2. So we put the minus 2 value in place of x. minus 2 square is 4 and 4 plus 2 we get as 6. Now we'll be finding g of 6. So g of 6 in g function, wherever there is x, we are going to put 6. So 2 times 6 plus minus 1. 2 times 6 is 12 and 12 minus 1 we get this as 11. Now let us find fgx. Now to find fgx, recollect what we did first. For fgx, we put a circle. The easiest way, put a bracket for this. And then you put in f function. So fgx, in short, if you have to do, this is going to be in f function, wherever there is x, we are going to put 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1, the whole square plus 2. This is what we are going to do now. So g acts on first. So gx is this. So f of 2x minus 1, it is square and add 2. So this is what we are going to do. Now expand the bracket. 2x minus 1, the whole square is 4x square. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. So it is minus 4x plus 1 plus 2. So this is how expanding the bracket, we get 4x square minus 2x, which is minus 4x plus 1. Okay. So 1 square is going to be 1 and then this 2. So this we add 1 plus 2, which we get it as 3. So 4x square minus 4x plus 3 is your FGX. Okay. If you were asked to find GFX, suppose you were asked to find GFX. So to find GFX, what will you do is, you will be putting the bracket around the f function. And in g function, which is 2x minus 1, wherever the value of x is there, you are going to put, since it is GFX, so since f is to be solved first, it is x square plus 2. So 2 in bracket x square plus 2 minus 1. In b function, in place of x, we are going to put x square plus 2. So which is 2x square, 2 times 4 is 4 minus 1. So this is 2x square plus 3 will be your GFX. Quick recap. So you are given a question, f of x. Solve along with me, children. F of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. Find fgx and gfx. To find fgx, put a bracket for g of x. And in f function, wherever there is x, you are going to put x plus 3 and then plus 2. So this is simply x plus 5. Easy that? And to find gfx, you are going to put a bracket around fx. Wherever there is x value, you are going to put x plus 2. So this is, the g value is x plus 3. So in place of this x, I am going to put x plus 2. So x plus 2 plus 3, which is again x plus 5. Got it, children? So if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.